I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by isolating parts. Swap the lens to confirm whether the body or lens causes the blur. Once done, switch the lens and camera between AF and MF to see if focusing behavior changes, because that tells you where to look next. Make sure contacts are clean and the lens clicks into place. Poor contact often prevents communication. Then set an appropriate AF mode, single for static subjects, continuous for motion, and enable face or eye detect to help modern systems lock on reliably. Now refine how the system works. Pick aperture and shutter speed that match your subject because blur can be optical or motion-induced. Once chosen, increase shutter speed to freeze movement and reduce blur. If focusing is inconsistent, try back button focus to separate focus from the release, which often improves repeatability. Then change AF area modes and test on a static high-contrast target to see where the camera aims, since different modes prioritize different points and can explain front or back focus tendencies. Finish by calibrating. Run AF micro-adjustment to correct consistent front or back focus because small mechanical offsets are common. Once calibrated, update camera and lens firmware to benefit from AF improvements, then test at different distances and apertures to confirm fixes. If problems persist despite clean contacts, correct settings, and calibration, consider service. Send the suspect unit for professional calibration or repair. One troubleshooting tip. If autofocus fails only in low contrast or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.